Hey guys, how you doing? It's Deepak Shukla here from Per Traffic, and today I'm here to tell you about the OAL Group, lovely business based in Peterborough, the UK, and we have been working with them to help them improve their YouTube as well as Google ranking for a specific series of keywords, most notably steam infusion, steam injection, autocoding, and label and date verification. And as you can see there, well, as you can maybe not see, but they are food manufacturers, and what's really great about this business is that they are very forward thinking, and as you can see, they've got a YouTube link just there, and they're doing some really great stuff on YouTube. So the focus of our advice rather was to focus upon their YouTube as well as I said, Google rankings. So as you can already see, some of the things that perhaps we did help with are these little calls to action here, turbocharge your cooking, as well as giving advice across all of their videos as to what they could include, like the YouTube URL at the bottom of each of them to improve the SEO, as well as looking at some of the naming conventions they're using in their videos, alongside a range of other areas that relate to how they appear in YouTube, YouTube video search, Google video search, as well as obviously YouTube Google rankings for various keywords. So that was a report that we delivered on the basis of a lot of research that we did do, and I'm pleased to tell you that they were extremely happy with that project. So that's what we did for the OAL Group. It was a focus upon YouTube and Google optimization around the basis of keywords, as well as looking at SEO from a channel level, as well as an individual video level.